Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is fried idli, quick and easy snack recipe with leftover idlis. Let's start the preparation. I have taken 3 leftover idlis, cut it into wedges and keep it aside. Now let's shallow fry the idlis. For that, heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add the idli wedges to the oil. Cook it both sides. Cook it in medium flame. Cook both sides evenly until it turns crisp and golden color. You can also deep fry the idlis. Once it turns crisp and golden, transfer it. Likewise, shallow fry the remaining idlis. Now transfer the fried idlis to a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of curry leaves chutney powder. For the curry leaves chutney powder recipe, check the description box below. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and toss it well. Adding ghee balances the flavor. Toss it and mix it well. Now the crisp and tasty idli fry is ready to serve. When you are bored of idlis, try out this recipe. So friends, hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this cookbook.